Good news, everyone. We have confirmed Tigo Cross preview at this coming My Apps Sedang from 9 to 15 May, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Estimate price below 100,000 ringgit. It has two variants. As I always say, you can use A segment price to buy a B segment SUV. For Tigo Cross early bird support, Chery guarantee vehicle delivered to customer by latest 15th of August 2025. If any delay after 15th of August 2025, Chery will pay you 13 ringgit each day. And this early bird support is applicable to 500 bookings collected for 9 to 15 May 2025 only. So what are you waiting for? Faster place the booking with me right now. For more information, WhatsApp me now. You may join this Facebook group, link as below. I'm Rainer Tan or Artan from Chery Ampang and Creator Automine.